are gonna be upgrading another box cake mix. Is like all of the time, and this time it's gonna be spice cake mix. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the back of your box cake mix is gonna have all your ingredients, all your stuff, and all the stuff that you need to do. So the first step is what you're going to want to do is, of course, pour your box cake mix into the, your bowl or whatever you're using to mix it in. Cannot use a frying pan to mix it in. Okay. Ooh, it's so cool. That's good spice. Add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of milk and nice creamy cream milk. Pour into the mixing bowl and 1/2 cup of oil. Any oil you want, maybe an almond to make it like nice almond. And then I'm going to use 2/3 of, or any egg you want, but we use this egg yolk, the egg
replacer.
Egg replacer, And then a little bit of vanilla, just, to make it a nice vanilla. Okay, once you got it all mixed up on low speed, you're gonna want to turn this mixer up all the way to high speed for 2 minutes. Okay, then you're gonna want to pour your cake mix into a nice buttered pan, just like ButterBeanz. Okay, so once your oven is done heating it up for 350 degrees, you want to stick your little pans in the oven for as long as the back of the box says. And it depends on your oven and the size of the pan that you're using. Okay, so for our frosting, you've seen us do before. We're gonna mix half cream cheese and half frosting. So when the cupcakes are cooling off, we are gonna go ahead and make our topping. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna cut an apple into slices, and then shred a carrot, and then we're gonna make some candy walnuts. Okay, so how to make our candy walnuts is we're gonna take some walnuts, put it in a pan. That's about another maybe handful, just for a few cupcakes, 2 pans. And then some nice dollop of butter, nice good bubble butter, that much. Or it's supposed to be melted, but it will just go in the oven. And then we're going to want to pour a little bit of maple syrup on top. Ooh. Then we are going to want to put in the oven and roast it for a little bit. But you have to keep an eye on it, because this can burn super duper fast. Mix it all together. So now that our cupcakes are all cooled off and we got all our stuff ready, we pre-did frost, and then now we're gonna put on our toppings. But first, I'm gonna put on these candy walnuts, and they look so good. Sprinkle a little bit over here. Okay, it's about enough. And then now I'm gonna add some apples and some carrots on this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I wish you could see your eyes right now. Mom's favorite was the apple with some of the candied walnuts.
I think let's try the soda by itself. So good.
2 cupcakes up.